We are getting smashed by hail. Hail! Oh no! We've just driven into a massive big hailstorm on the Sunshine Coast. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, the car might be going to the panel beaters. Oh! We might end up with a smashed windscreen in a minute. They're getting bigger. Cars are pulling off to the side of the road, they can't see. Probably got smashed windscreens. I think it's more dangerous pulling off than keeping going. Maybe if I get behind this truck I might save myself. Oh, there's cars on the side of the road everywhere. I'd say a few cracked windscreens. It is pissing down. Can't even see. Few damaged cars in that short time. Oh, they're still coming. I thought they'd finished, but nah, still copping them. I think people want to stop under the bridge up here so the traffic's come to a halt. You can't just stop and stop the highway. Welcome to the Sunshine Coast. Well, at least the hail have stopped. Yeah, there's cars pulled up under the bridge everywhere. It's only rain now. Keep going. Too late, she cried. The biggest hail I've ever had in the car. I've got to watch out. Somewhere up here is my turn off, but I can't even see the road. If I miss it, I'll keep going to Brisbane.